Hello, students. After learning the sound of each letter, we are going to learn about two letter words. Two sounds together makes sensible words. First, we take all vowels. Let us see how many vowels we have. How many vowels we have? We have five vowels. We have five vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. They are A, E, I, O, U. Now, a vowel makes word. The word is A, M, M. The word is A, M, M. The sound of this two-letter word is A, M, M. A, M, M. A, M, M. Now second, A, N, N. A, N, N. The sound of this two-letter word is A, N, N. A, N, N. A, N, N. Let us see third word. A, S, as. A, S, as. A, S, as. The sound of this two-letter word is A, S, as. A, S, as. A, S, as. Fourth one, A, T, at. A, T, at. The sound of this two-letter word is at, 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 at. Now repeat the all. We have seen all these A vowel two-letter words. A, M, M. A, M, M. A, N, N. A, N, N. A, S, as. A, S, as. A, T, at. A, T, at. A, T, at. Now let us see two-letter words with the help of vowel E. Now the word is B, E, B. B, E, B. B, E, B. The word is B, E, B. The sound of this two-letter word is B, E, B. B, E, B. B, E, B. The other one, H, E, he. H, E, he. H, E, he. The sound of this two-letter word is H, E, he. H, E, he. H, E, he. Third one, M, E, me. M, E, me. The sound of this two-letter word is M, E, me. M, E, me. M, E, me. W, E, V. W, E, V. W, E, V. The sound of this two-letter word is W, E, V. W, E, V. W, E, V. Let's repeat all E vowel sound two-letter word. B, E, B. B, E, B. H, E, he. H, E, he. M, E, me. M, E, me. W-E-V, W-E-V. Now let us talk about I vowel sounds two-letter words. That are, the first one is I and in. I and in. The sound of this two-letter word is E, N, in. E, N, in. E, N, in. The next is I-F, if. I-F, if. I-F, if. The sound of this two-letter word is E, F, if. E, F, if. E, F, if. The next one is I-S, is. I-S, is. The sound of this two-letter word is E, S, is. E, S, is. E, S, is. The next I-T, it. I-T, it. I-T, it. The sound of this two-letter word is eat, it. Eat, it. Eat, it. Now we will repeat all these words. I and in. I and in. I-F, if. I-F, if. I-S, is. I-S, is. I-T, it. I-T, it. Now you children repeat it again. Yes? Okay. Now we start with O vowel two-letter words. They are O, F, of. O, F, of. The sound of this two-letter word is O, F, of. O, F, of. O, F, of. The next one O and on. O and on. O and on. The sound of this two-letter word is O, N, on. O, N, on. O, N, on. The next O, R, or. O, R, or. The sound of this two-letter word is O, R, or. O, R, or. The other one is O, X, ox. O, X, ox. O, X, ox. The sound of this two-letter word is O, X, ox. O, X, ox. O, X, ox. The next two letters word with the help of OR and O, no. And O, no. The sound of this two-letter word is N, O, no. N, O, no. N, O, no. The other is G, O, go. G, O, go. The sound of this two-letter word is G, O, go. G, O, go. G, O, go. The third one is S, O, so. S, O, so. S, O, so. The sound of this two-letter word is S, O, so. S, O, so. S, O, so. We will repeat all these words. O, F of. O F of. O N on. O N on. O N on. O R or. O R or. O X ox. O X ox. O X ox. N O no. N O no. N O no. G O go. G O go. S O so. S O so. Got it? With the help of U vowel, we makes the word is U P up. U P up. U P up. The sound of this two-letter word is up, 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 up. The second one is a U S, us, U S, us, U S, us. The sound of this two-letter word is a s, us, a s, us, a s, us. Now repeat this. U P up. U P up. U S us. U S us. Okay, that's all for this class. So practice all the sounds. Rest of the things we will take in next class.